Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the most basic functions of the SimpleSEO rank checker tool. So the first thing you want to do is to create a new ranking project. You just provide a name for your project here and you click the add button. You can create as many ranking projects as you want. You can create a ranking project for each of your website or for your clients' websites. And if you no longer need a certain ranking project, you simply select it here and you click the delete button. So now we've just created an empty project. And the next step, you need to select the country for which you would like to retrieve your ranking positions. By default it's the United States, but you can choose from over 150 different countries here. Just select your country and click the Save Country button. And then you will need to add some URL and keyword pairs. So there are different possibilities. You can either add all your URLs and keywords manually by just providing the URL here and the keyword here in this field and clicking the add button. And later on you can just delete your keywords if you no longer need them by clicking the delete button. Or you can also import keywords. So in this form you have also different possibilities. If you already have a list of URL keyword pairs, you simply copy and paste them into this text area here and click the import URL keyword pairs button. If you don't have a list of URL and keyword pairs, you can also use the spider function here. So you simply provide a URL of the website you would like to spider here and click the get URLs button. And this text area here allows you to exclude certain URLs. So you can provide a list of words and every URL that contains any of the words listed here will be excluded. Okay, so let's get started. You click the Get URLs button and the spider function launches and gets all the URL and keyword pairs. And at any time you can stop the process by just clicking the stop button here. Okay, just click the button. So now we have a short list of URL and keyword pairs. Then you simply click the add button. This adds all the URL keyword pairs to an already existing list that may be here. Okay, we confirm the box here. And then finally you simply click the import URL keyword pairs button. Okay, and now all the URL keyword pairs are included in your list here. And whenever you click any of the keywords here, you get a corresponding URL keyword pair here, and you can delete if you no longer need a certain URL keyword pair. And to navigate between your different ranking projects, you just select the desired project from your list here. Okay, so let's take a look at this box here. Well, at first it looks a bit complicated because there are quite a lot of buttons and there are quite a lot of different columns, but it's actually quite easy. So this box provides you with a list of keywords and with the ranking positions. Those two columns here are the Google ranking positions and those two columns here are the Yahoo ranking position. The N stands for new and the O stands for old. So this column here shows the most recent Google rankings. And this column here shows the Google rankings that have been retrieved at the previous state. And the same for Yahoo here, for these two columns. Now let's take a look at the buttons. These buttons allow you to retrieve either the Google rankings, the Yahoo ranking, or both rankings together for each specific keyword. So you can just click any of the buttons and retrieve a specific ranking. So now this would retrieve only the Google ranking. And you can also retrieve the rankings of all selected keywords. So here you can select or unselect keywords. And you can manually deselect some keywords you're not really interested in. And you can either click retrieve all Google rankings, retrieve all Yahoo rankings, or just retrieve both rankings. Okay, if I click the Google ranking button here, then it will retrieve all the Google rankings for the selected keywords. So it goes from one keyword to the other for all those that have been selected. Okay, you can also order by columns. So you can order the rankings here. You can order the Yahoo rankings and so on. Okay, we'll look at these functions for the schedule a bit later. Something else I just wanted to show you is the report. So you basically have two possibilities to create a ranking report. You can either create a very simple text report or a more complex PDF report with graphical charts. And you can do this for the entire project, meaning for all the keywords listed in a specific project, the currently selected project. Or you can do this for an individual keyword by just clicking the R for ranking button here for any keyword you want. So example, if we click one of the buttons here, okay, so then you get a PDF ranking report where you get all the information about the keyword, the URL, and you get a ranking graphs. You get a graph for Yahoo, it's the blue one, and a graph for Google. And you see the development of your rankings. And on top of that, you get also a list of the ranking development ordered by date. Okay, that's about it about the most basic functions. In the following videos, we take a look at the scheduler and also at the alert function. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.